Thailand's meteorological department on Monday issued a warning of heavy rainfall and potential flash floods in the country's southern region. Due to the strengthening of the southwesterly winds over the Andaman Sea, the authorities reminded residents of southern provinces to prepare for severe to very heavy rain, choppy waves and strong winds in the Andaman Sea and the Gulf of Thailand from Monday until Friday. According to local media, the tourist island of Phuket is part of the region on alert. The island on Sunday suffered from major flooding, which led to traffic bottlenecks and inundated roads. To better cope with potential further floodings, the authorities are now paying close attention to areas that have accumulated more than 90 millimeters of rainfall in a 24-hour period, and preparing personnel, machinery, tools and the availability of backup communication systems to integrate immediate assistance readiness.